Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about uh, I was going to talk about how you cannot use the input field attribute in Unity in Android and iOS when you're making a WebGL build, and how you can solve this issue. But while making this build, I came across another interesting issue which I haven't come across when I was doing my previous WebGL builds or games. This is something new, so I thought let me just make a video about this on like a quick fix for this issue. So let me this is one of my test projects that I've opened up. This is very simple. I have two scenes here. One is a game scene and one is a login scene. So in the login scene, I have a canvas component with a panel, and I've just given it a panel. I've just given it a color, and there are two input fields. One is for name and one is for email, and another button for submit. So in the submit, on click, there is a function called sceneloader.gameplay. This function is on this game object, which is scene loader. I've just created an empty object and named it scene loader. Let me open up the scene loader script. So here you can see what I've done is just like declared two TextMesh Pro input fields. One is name input field and email input field, and then I have declared a public function called gameplay. And if the name is not empty and the email is not empty, when the function is called, I load the game scene. Else I print out a message called as please enter the details. So this is very fairly simple code. I don't want to create like a very very heavy code based game, because this is just a simple fix, and I just wanted to get it right to the point. So let me just run this scene so that you can see it, and so that works. So let me just enter something here. So let me not enter this first. So if I click on submit, I get enter the details, because both of the fields need to be filled. If I click on submit, I enter the game scene. So let me just jump down to the game scene. The game scene is there's nothing in the game scene. There's just a panel and text called game. So that's it. So let me just head into build settings and let's just create a quick build of this game. I mean, I wouldn't call it a game entirely yet. So I guess if you haven't switched to WebGL platform, your platform would be Windows, Mac, Linux, or something like that. So you can go down and click on WebGL and click on build. I mean, not build. You can click on switch platform and you would get this Unity icon here saying that your current platform is WebGL. And from there you can just click on build to create your WebGL project. So let's just make a build. So if I click on build and select this folder, it's very a simple build, not a lot of time taking. So let's just open it up with our Visual Studio Code. If you don't know how to run your WebGL build locally without having those errors, I've explained it in my previous video. Please check it out. I will leave a link to it in the description also, and you can see it somewhere in the corner. So if I click on go live right now, so this is the error that will be popping up when you make a build now recently in the Unity version 2020 or 2021 or 2022. This is the error that you will be getting. Most of this error, if you read it carefully, you can understand that content encoding is Gzip present, and check the browser console and developer network tab to debug. So what we can do is we can quickly hit F12 on Chrome to see the console and check out the error. Here is an error. You can see that the build has not run success. I mean, the build has run successfully, but the game is not running. So let's head back and try to fix this issue. Let me stop. Let me stop the run. And let's go into Unity. Head to player settings, and here you can see the compression format is Gzip. And now I don't know whether you should change the compression format. Is it a good thing to change it? So I would just leave it as it is for Gzip and just check this decompression fallback. So once you check it, head back and click on build, and I need to delete the previous build. Let me just delete this. Just make a build here. And it's done. Now let's open it up once again with code. Click on go live. So as you can see, the build just runs perfectly. So let's also test it out. So it just runs perfectly. Let's hit F12 to open the debugger, and there's no error here. You can see a couple of warnings, but this is not gonna cause any other issues with your game. The game will run perfectly. So yeah, this is just a quick issue that I wanted to help you guys fix. Other than this, also I wanted to tell you guys I'll be uploading regular videos on the channel. Mostly these videos will be related to Webgl errors at the first, and I'll be creating a playlist related to platform related issues on Unity. First one would be Webgl, platform related, and then I would go on to create these videos for Android, iOS, and Android, iOS, PC, platform exclusive errors based on Unity. So that's what I'm going for. So if you like what you see and you would like to see more of these errors and issues sorted out, or you have any specific errors that you could not find any solution to, please leave a comment below and maybe I might make a video about it. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like and sub to the channel for more content.